Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Ekamala Mbongi Nkosi. Thembe uthini kahle, niyaphila. Danko, amakhosi ajabulile. They won by 3-1. Goals scored by Flavio Silva and Wandile Duba came off the bench and scored 2 goals. Obviously, I'd say ukuthi it wasn't the best games, but it was a game that Kaizer Chiefs showed signs that they want to win it. We didn't play against a team that was challenging that much, but the important thing is that Kaizer Chiefs understood the assignment. It doesn't matter whether we are playing beautiful football or not, but what's important is for us to get the maximum point and then we'll deal with the rest. As Ashilo Fernando da Cruz, this is not his starting 11, but these players are important in his team. They must always be ready so that whenever they get a chance to be used, they grab it with both hands. We saw a player like Luke Batman. Luke Batman was very good. He even got man of the match, but I was impressed by his input overall. He was good offensively, defensively, and he played with so much maturity, especially for his age. But I believe Guti, he had that in him all along. It's just he wasn't playing regularly as the coaches or co-coaches last season were grinding for results, what was important. But he showed a beautiful display, hoping Guti he'll carry this performance to the next game. I believe Guti is going to be M10-8, but it was beautiful to see him enjoying his game. We saw a couple of players showing that they are good players. We'll talk about players like Abu Ox. He was subbed on second half. He played beautifully. I believe Guti, he made things easier for Kaizer Chiefs, especially going forward, as now Ulebohang Maboy had that license to go forward instead of dropping deep, making sure that he's protecting the back four as a DM, but he was more used as number 8, of which I believe he was involved in those 2 goals scored by Wandile Duba. So I'd say to coach his subbed were spot on. And another thing, the way we started the game, we started on a strong foot whereby we were applying a high press to our opponents and we didn't give them enough time on the ball because we showed signs we want to score as early as possible so that we can get control over the game as we saw, but we considered seyizophela first half. So ngasho nje ukuthi the way we saw Kaizer Chiefs, we cannot confirm that they are already doing fine, but we can say ukuthi it's a positive to start building from where we are right now, so that we know in future we are building a team that is strong, that is going to compete. We saw Mfundo Vilakazi. He didn't have the best of games, but what was important is for him to understand okay, I saw that whenever I have the ball, I get to be marked by 2 to 3 players. So they are making life difficult for me. So the best thing for me was to use Umonyane on this right flank, because we know very well he has a pace, he can play that flank I1. So it was a good thing. Ufrozla on the left hand side, he wasn't overlapping that much, while we saw okay, all that responsibility was on Luke Batman. He was helping the team defensively and also offensively. Him combining with Eden Chislet, that was a positive sign to say okay, we know very well right now what we are doing is what we are capable of doing, but it's not our level best. As we saw okay, Eden Chislet made sure it doesn't give our defenders of Kruger United a piece, because he was always trying by all means to compete, to challenge, and running in spaces whereby he was a threat. Even though first half we didn't create many chances, we had 3 goal attempts and 2 shots on target. So that shows even in Kruger United, they were not that bad, but they played against a team that had experience, that knew we should capitalize when we get the chances that we create. The rest will fall into place. Wandile Duba was subbed on, he scored a brace. It's a good thing for him to build on confidence, knowing very well on his first game of the league, he scored 2 goals. So that gives him that chance okay, maybe next game they might start with him so that he continues where he left off. But overall, ngasho second half, that's where I saw Kaizer Chiefs play the kind of football that it was nice, that had results also. they were sharing the ball while they were trying by all means to get the goals going forward. You saw ama combinations lapha, Ox, Maboy, Chislet, Utuba, and Bobon with okay, this is what they are trying to do. It's just that in the first half it was difficult because Milford, not Milford man, Kruger United tried by all means ukuthi ingabagaya that space is enough for them to think when they have the ball so that they know it, okay, after this is what we do. Because even the chance that we created, I won't say Guti, it was something that was planned, but it ended up being a goal. Flavio da Silva pouncing as a fox in that 18 area of Kruger United, obvious as a striker would do. But going forward, I believe with the Kaizer Chiefs, there are things that they need to work on so that they don't become a team that when you watch, we would say, no man, they won, but they were not impressive. That's not important. The important thing is to win games. That's what I believe with it. If you want to win the league, you want to be competitive. You win the games that people think they are not easy to win, but make sure you win them. And another thing is that we were solid at the back. You cannot blame anyone for how we considered, even though I believe we could have done better. But the important thing is that after that, we are resolute at the back. We made sure with our defensive solidity, we didn't crack. We saw how we were defending. When we were attacking, we are left with 3 at the back. When we are defending, we are and it becomes 4. So that shape and the off the ball movement was the one that was impressive by that back 4. And also in the middle of the park, we saw what we started with Ndlovu and Olebohang Mabo, as you know, with that combination works. But the coach realized one thing, with now I need to win this game, so I should introduce a player that will be comfortable protecting the back 4 and also give Umabo that freedom to go forward and try to help the team attack, because we see now we are the team that we are playing against. It seems like they are complacent with a draw, and of which it was not the result that Kaizer Chiefs was looking for. But Kosilwinile, that's what matters. Everything else that needs to be done will be perfected in the upcoming games. All I can say is that Kaizer Chiefs is not bad, and they have to fix a little few things so that they become a team that will be a team to beat. But we started on a high. Unfortunately, Brendan Peterson didn't get a clean sheet. But Abajida was Panile. We're looking forward to the next match, whereby Guti, I believe, is going to be MTN 8 against the Golden Arrows, another tough team to play against. But Iplanel Zozaka Njongoba Lizakile against Kruger United. Obvious, it was Amakrotman versus Indwana. So experience here showed Guti Aslingan ama levels of fun. Even though they gave us a quite scare, but I believe Guti Kaizer Chiefs as Amakrotmans, they did show die. Bafethu, yebo siyavuma niyeza kithi, but as long ningakori more than 2 goals, that simply means ukuthi anifike ngale ndlela emele nifike ngayo. uFrosler being played as a left back, yes, at some point he becomes exposed, but where it matters the most, he was there for the team. He made a lot of interceptions, whereby I believe if he wasn't there, it was going to be difficult for Kaizer Chiefs, especially knowing very well we were defending with 3 after if an attack failed to materialize when we are going forward. Miguel, ama long balls wakhe are costing the club, I mean the team, because most of them, the ones that he attempted, they didn't go to any player. All of them went outside. So that's something he needs to fix. Kwinika always cool, calm and collected. He wasn't tested, but there was a moment whereby I saw him okay, hayi usayiphethe lento yakuthi, okay, he's relaxed, hoping ukuthi iyohlala kanjalo. Monyane gijima 90 minutes yonke with the same pace and making sure ukuthi balances offensive and defensive. That's what we need in a player. Iten Chislet was good also. He must be given credit since die angekho kwamanje, but usabambe intambo lapha, and he's playing the way ucoach afuna ngakhona, because ngiyabona ukuthi okay, he challenges, he makes sure ukuthi he avails himself in spaces whereby ukuthi okay there is a threat. It's just that I haven't seen his creative spark that much, but hoping ukuthi in the upcoming games uzokwazi afake that creative spark, making sure ukuthi when you go forward uzokwazi ukusigaya those assists, because that's what you need in a number 10. But lokho asinika kona kwamanje nako siyak-appreciate, especially if the team wins. There's nothing we can criticize, especially if he didn't even do or set a foot wrong. Tango.